Daddy.
Yeah.
I'm Dimas and Craft, and you? Your name?
I'm Carlo Amos.
Okay. Daddy, what's your name?
Efeko do Gode.
Efeko
do Gode.
Gode. Okay. So where would they like this? Because as I see this place now, I get what thing they unique about this place. So they see this one they go like this one go like this one go like this.
Here comes Eruwa, the ancient community of this Isoko kingdom.
Okay, this is the ancient community.
Yeah, worldwide. And in respect of all this happening, and I felt this is the ancient community. Here is Eruwa. It's a kingdom on its own. All Isoko migrated from this village. This is just like a tributary to one lake they call Eruwa here, owned by Eruwa people. And today now, this was the only major road access for all the Isokos to where they belong today. And this is Eruwa. As this leakage leads to Focados River here, which is Patani, you can see there. And for the decades, most of our people, based in Patani, because of this tribal wars of this slavery and otherwise, we had to come back inside here. But along the line, no community has ever challenged this authority that Eruwa is not the ancient community of this Isoko kingdom. Here comes Eruwa. Forget about social report of things. Eruwa is still Eruwa. Has a language on its own. This is a creek, they call this place Eruwa Creek. Other communities are very close to this place, like Ume, Enwe, Odobobo, Igbide, Emide, Ule, Uzere, all migrated through this place. Olomoro. But to God be the glory, here we are. We're lacking so many things for today. Irrespective of any class, Eruwa has been even before 12th century, and even before the Sobos of the Niger Delta. It's a part of the history. So I feel, since everybody recognizes this place to be the ancient community of this whole of Isoko and Urobo, this is where Efru left. Efru left this place to go and form on their own. Efru is seen worried there.
This is the oldest community in Isoko.
Life, period.
So here is the oldest. That's when you talk of ancient of Isoko. Yeah. This is where it started.
Yes, this is Eruwa.
So how many children the Eruwa has?
Eruwa has 4 children, namely Uki, the eldest, followed by Ezeo, and followed by Eruwe. The last born is Urope. Yeah.
And they all cross from here to settle the other side.
No, they pass from through this way the entire year because of the slave trade and otherwise.
Okay, during the olden days time, during the ancient time, this is where they were crossing the slave then?
No, they were bringing ships to try to rob people through that forgotten river. Yes, they enslaved people. So they had to come and put and hide out here. So anybody come here, no way. What they see, they manage themselves as well. Here is the only route to Abare. Yeah. Follow it to Abare, to Asabase, follow it back to Uzere, from that place to Emede, to Iri, and go back to Ole.
And
this river was the first road that linked all the Isoko. You can still follow this place as far as to go to Shugele. Yeah, this road here. Yeah. This waterway here. Yeah. Because they were using engine boats and otherwise to ply this road. Okay. That was water transportation. Was
that was the only means of transportation in those days?
Yes.
So if they're coming from here, this one's going from this other side, this road here.
Yeah.
They will get to here, they will branch to here and go to their own community.
Yes.
That's those people that have boundary with Bayelsa.
Yes. Okay. Yeah. Even part of this community is right in the north side of Bayelsa here, which is Anibeze.
Okay, Anibeze.
Yeah.
Okay. They still do every tradition that people do here.
Common here, everything. Even there is their original home. That is like a village to them.
Okay, here is the original home because they know they migrated from here to here.
Yes, exactly.
Okay. So you're telling me now that this is the oldest community, the oldest village and home in Isoko Kingdom?
Yes. Worldwide.
Worldwide.
Yeah, the name is Eruwa. Eruwa is the name of the founding father of this community. All this, you see, all this what God nature has given to us, we can use for feeding. You can see fish, maneuvering and otherwise. And you can see people casting their train net as well. If need be, let this boy come and cast the train net, people can see. Yeah, a series of a lot of fishermen here.
These ones are fishermen. Yeah. They go for fishing.
Yeah, they go for fishing. If we're living from
So
fishing.
all this leaf on top, I'm seeing the leaf going as if it's going like this, and it's not even shaking, and it's live. Like, I don't understand.
These are water lilies.
Okay, water leaves.
Water lilies.
Water lilies.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is natural. It's still like this. Even in then, days, this have not come. This we call it sonalagua. They call it abiola grass. But even traditionally they call it abirigeleke. It's not what going to be pronounced for now. So all this you can see fish maneuvering. Yeah, all these little fish. All these things you see are meant for fishing. All these are heterotis, no? Maneuvering there, heterotis. So those are the part of the happening.
Uncle, please, what do you have to tell us about the Isoko, the history here of this river?
Eruwa river, who lead from all Isoko migrated right to the various areas. Right from Patani River, Niger, we enter this place, move to everywhere. As I'm moving here, in the flood season, you can move to every community, but this dry season, boat cannot move to that side. There we can have our own normal source of killing of fish, making this thing. Like this creek here we see here last time, but right last time we are going by left. This one leads to the Niger. Because Eruwa is there was one lake used by Eruwa people. They passed there to Niger. They moved down to Anubeze. So, like in everything we are doing here, we are doing hand to hand with everybody here. Eruwa is a peaceful place where anybody can live. Unless you are not, if you are a harbor somebody, you cannot harbor you here. We only take you and drive you away. Eruwa is a peaceful place. All Isoko knows. Eruwa have fought any war, and as Isoko people are fighting.
We have not fought war before.
No,
we are not fighting war. At the same time, I'm a peacemaker in Isoko as a whole, as a chairman of Eruwa Yedaviara. Almost 3 days ago, Bishop from Aviara went to come and visit me because of a land dispute, and the matter has been settled now. So Eruwa is a peaceful place. Whereby you can live with happiness and go away. So thank you very much for visiting to Eruwa.
How long have you been doing this? When did you start doing this paddling boat like this?
I started when I'm young. I started when I'm young. Before I went to Warri, fully before I went to Warri. I'm a student of Elijah Grammar School, so I paddled when my father and mother was alive. So I paddled the boat. The time the current is high. When current is low, now the current is low. If you come another time again by June, if you are a novice, you cannot put the boat.
Okay, it will be
very siege. So unless you hold your hand strong with it. So that's all.
So during this, like what month?
For June.
Okay, June,
July. That time of our festival.
Yes.
June, July, those are the time of our festival.
Yes.
That time you come, you will see the place current will be blowing like this. About October, you will see the current go back to Isoko again to Uzirani Emedi. That's how you get white water, like milk. Yes. It will be flowing like this.
But the 4 children of Eruwa, are they all living inside here?
Yeah, some must have extended family.
Yes.
Since we have Uki here, Uki have his own houses. Israel will have his own, Eruwa have his own houses as well as Europe. So that's how they live. One person don't born children now, at least, so just I beg, I don't feel stay with my father, go and live his own different life somewhere, but you must only know the original home, where you come from. So,
but in those days, like, was he only one woman that he married, or he married more than one?
Anyway, I can't go to that extent.
He married many wives.
One woman that time, one woman cannot feed the man, because when the man come from bush or something, one woman cannot make the demand to the man. So the man can leave one woman to other places. That's why we have our father who have married many wives. Yes. That's why we say we decide to marry many wives, because one woman only give man headache.
They go get plenty so that they get peace of mind.
If one woman strike, you go to another one.
With the economy where things get as it be now.
The economy don't mean anything for you. Look at me. See my cassava farm there.
You see this guy is very much focused
cassava farm there. So I work. I'm still working with I'm a head officer, working on the head. If they give me 30,000 a month, I'm okay. So my cassava I'm making fun. Yes. A lazy man. That's only the man not to work. Who the good chief? Now they go make. No food for lazy man. So we struggle on our own and maintain ourselves.
Hey, don't catch fish, oh, plenty.
Anyway, let's not forget.
Let's go close to them.
Okay, no, you can be taking that. Don't worry. No, don't bother. We are still buying.
No, Mom, they're ready for me. I want to see the fish. Okay. See, nothing they even hold the thing for ground as it dey like this. Hey, brother. Well done. Come. How you dey?
I'm fine, man.
So, na fishing you dey do?
Yes, man.
See plenty fish where you don't catch.
This one, they said they never plenty reach to my taste.
They never plenty.
Mm.
How many hours you don't take now to get them like this?
Now, since morning now, they the river.
Since morning?
Yeah.
Since morning now, they river like this?
Yes, man.
Hey. Every day?
Every day.
Every day?
Yes.
So your work now to they call the catfish for you?
Yeah.
Hey, you don't come any day, you don't see fish?
No day.
You know day? You don't let this one for your forefathers them. So now what they do those days, you don't take them personal now.
Yes.
Well done.
Thank you.
You dey learn, abi you don't sabi?
You dey learn.
Now you still dey learn work. What's be your name now?
My name na God's power.
Okay. Well done, God's power. You go dash me fish today. God's power. Well done. This one they will go dry and ba. Okay. Hi, fisherman. Well done. Well done, yeah.
The aquatic consultant, we call them as well.
Okay, call them
Aquatic consultant.
aquatic consultant.
Yeah.
Now then they tell you now whether fish still dey the river, abi no dey again.
As you can see, me, I'm so as professor in respect of this matter too.
Okay, professor.
Yeah,
Wow.
that's my feed as well.
Okay, see that one too na fisherman, abi they go farm.
This is a good fisherman.
A good fisherman.
All those
As he small like this.
huh?
Jesus. And they don't rate and say na good.
All those bed hook. Those bed hook.
Okay, now you get them.
And this one they keep with Brancos, Claris, and Trotis, and otherwise. This in the car, this hook. Anyway, to God be the glory is part of Eruwa, and this is Eruwa for real.
God bless
Hello,
you.
madam. Let's not forget what's that name we were talking about.
Dima Art and Craft is my name.
Dima and Kratis.
Yeah, Dima Art and Craft.
Wonderful.
Well done. Well done. Hey, see, I see they move fast. Safe journey. This one is traveling to another country. Thank you.
Hello, what
This
state
is
you
I'm from Enugu State.
Enugu State, home of coal.
Yes. We don't arrive.